Hi, I'm Cate Speaks, and right now I'm going to be teaching math skills. Okay, math skills, how to multiply faster when you multiply by 11 and by 5, by 11 and 5. So quickly, I'm going to be teaching uh, by 11. So this is going to help your child. You can share this video to your child so they can multiply faster, even with their minds. I've seen in mental math, most of my videos in mental math, they are there. You can go back to my channel, Cate Speaks Tutor TV. You see the playlist and go through many of the mental math videos that I did with grade 5 kids. So if your child is within the age of 6 to 15 years and you need a private tutor, I'm here. Please drop your messages, comment, subscribe, share, like. I'm going to be replying to some chats for this. So thank you so much for joining in. Please kindly subscribe to my video, Cate Speaks, on YouTube. Right now, we are going to do, you can learn this skill and teach your child or show them the video. So we'll start with this 11 times 9. Okay, 11 times 9 is 99 because this is just 1 and 1. So 9 times 1 is 9, while 9 times 1 again is 9. So definitely 11 times 9 is 99. So, but what if you are multiplying bigger numbers like this? Are you supposed to be looking for calculator? No, you don't really need to. You can multiply faster when you're solving some exam questions. There are ways you can multiply faster to get this answer. Okay, before I get to this ones I've written here, I'm going to leave some answers for you to do, all right, by yourself. But let me start with 11 times 10 before I get to 19. All right, so 11 times 10. So let me just write it down here. We have, so excuse me, we have 11 times 10. But the fact that there's a zero, you don't need to start multiplying or thinking of how to get the answer. You simply bring out the zero out, and this 10, that's the unit, then they multiply it with 11. So 11 times 1 is 11. So 11 times 10 is 110. So, but when you're multiplying, let's continue. 11 times 11, this is the trick. This is where the trick comes in, or the skill. So you just simply split the 1 and 1 out and add the two numbers here and put it in the middle. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 11 times 11, as fast as you can do it in your mind, 121. Okay, so if we continue, who can tell me 11 times 12? 132. 11 times 13, 143. You don't really need to punch any calculator to get the answer. You just do it in your mind. So you do that 11 times 14, 154, all down the way to 19. So you get to this point. What about 19? There's going to be two numbers again. What are you going to do? So this is where we come in. So 11 times 19, the same way we did, but this time we are not going to write 1 and 9, okay? Or we're still going to write, let me just write 1 and 9. Okay, I'm splitting because I want to write an answer in the middle here. So we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So in this case, I'm going to write the unit of 10 is 0. The unit is 0. And that 1, I'm going to add it to the one that was here previously to make it 2. So 11 times 19 is 209. You can check your calculator and try the rest. From your mind, you can see the answer. Please show this to your children. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, comment, ask some questions. I want someone to try 11 times 29. I'm waiting for your answer in the chat box. I'm going to be back in just 10 seconds. All right, thank you so much for joining my channel. Thank you. I hope you have gotten the answer. I'm waiting for some answers quickly. Thank you, Mazarine. You said you stay in Africa. Okay. I'm going to write my phone number on the that's my WhatsApp number. I'm going to drop it on the board so that you can send a WhatsApp message. Please kindly like my video and share. I hope you have gotten 11 times 29. Thank you, Andrew, for joining. Thank you, PQ, ANUJ. Thank you so much. Hi, PQ. Thank you for joining. So I'm going to continue with the video. I hope you got 11 times 29. Okay? 11 times 29. I have a lot of birds. Thank you. So 11 times 29 is not hard at all. I hope you got it. 2 plus 9 is 11. So I'm going to write 1. Then the 11, the tens in 11 is 1 again. I'm going to add it to this 2 to make it 3. Okay? See how fast you can get it. Your child or someone around you can do this with your mind. You don't need to use the calculator. So when you're writing an exam and you need to get answers very quickly, I'm going to be dropping my contact so that you can send a WhatsApp message. Then you need a private tutor for your child, or you're an adult, you're writing an exam, or you English exam, math exam, you can do this. Please comment, please like, please share. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, because there are more videos that are going to be coming up and you do not want to miss it. Okay? Who can tell us 11 times 29? Sorry, 39. 11 times 39. I'm going to the chat box to see who has gotten the answer. All right. Thank you. I hope you got the answer. So let's quickly do that. We have 11 times 39. We have 9 and 3. So 3 plus 9 is going to give us 12. So we have 2. And the 1, we add it here, making this 4. Okay. 11 times 49, the same thing. 4 and 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. I'm going to write 3 and make this 5. So if you check the calculator, you see how fast this can go. So 11 times 9, 99. 11 times 19, 209. 11 times 29, 319. 11 times 39, 429. 11 times 49, 539. That's how to multiply square of numbers, okay? So let's try another square of number. This is not a square of number. The square of numbers is 4, 5 times. So I'm leaving this for you to try by yourself. Okay, I want you all to try that by yourself. So let me go to square of numbers. What we have, let's start with normal 5 times 5. Okay, so I'm waiting for those that are going to quickly get the answer for 11 times 59, 11 times 69, 11 times 79, 11 times 89. Please send your answer in the chat box. Share my video so that a lot of people who will need this for the exams can participate. Okay, all right. So this is Cate Speaks. I am here in Africa, Nigeria, and I'm teaching this to many. I've been doing many classes. I upload a lot of videos, but recently I'm going live. I'm going live because I want to reach a lot of people. So currently, I'm going to be teaching. I'm a private tutor. You can subscribe. When I'm done with this video, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp contact so that some of you that need a private tutor, you can quickly get my number and send me a message. Okay, let's continue. Thank you for subscribing. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, but what if you're doing 15 times 15? How will you do that? Let's write 25 times 25. Let's write 35 times 35. Let's write 45 times 45. Then 55 times 55. When you're given these huge numbers, you actually do not need calculator to do this. You don't need calculator. You just run it down through your head. All right, so but let me show you the skill so that you can be able to do that. Please show this to your children. They are 6, 7, 8, 9 years, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They should be able to do this faster for the exams. Okay, or they know it, how to get is the skill. So 15 times 15 is simply this. Let's start with the units. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to write 25 first. So 1 times, so I'm not going to write 1, okay? I'm going to do the square and add it to the number, only one of them. This is what I mean. 1 times 1 is 1. I add it to the 1 again. This gives us 2. So 15 times 15 is 225. You see the same trick works for all of them. So 5 times 5 will always give us 25. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 2 again, making 6. This is 625. So 35 times 35. 5 times 5 again is 25. 3 times 3 is 9, plus the 3 again will give us 12. Okay, can you see the skill? Let's go. 5 times 5 again is 25. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, which makes 45 times 45 to be 2025. That's what we are. We're in 2025. Next year is going to be 2026. So, well, will you be? I hope you're subscribing or you're subscribed. Please comment, give a like, give a share, give, you know. Who can quickly get us this answer? I want to say it in the chat box before I end my live video now. 55 times 55. I'm waiting 10 seconds. So, who has been able to get 55 times 55? I'm checking my charts so that some of you can, get this. So simple. Please like, please subscribe, please share. So, thank you for commenting. Some of you have given some good, you know, top. Look at my top fans here. Mazarine, thank you so much. We have Gonzalo, we have Anug, AANU, Anuj. I can really pronounce your name. So thank you for joining my video. Okay. So 55 times 55. Let's quickly end our class this morning. We have 55 times 55. Okay? And 55 times 55, the same thing. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? 5 times 5 again is 25 plus 5, making it 30. So this is how to multiply square of numbers faster. Okay? So this is a math skill you need to know when you're being asked. Maybe you're going for a competition, math competition, you're asked. So just calculate with your mind and boom, the answer is out. Okay, without using any calculator. So I'm just teaching you the skill without looking at it, the answers. You can actually say, okay, 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, 15 times 15 is 225. Okay, 25 times 25 is 625. Okay, 35 times 35 is 1225. Okay, so that's how it is. You continue doing that. You can do that with your mind and you get the answer. So good, so good, so good. So thank you for joining my class this morning here in Africa, Nigeria. Um, my next class in math skill will take us back to solving Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we started with Pythagoras theorem for those preparing for that's entrance examinations. Maybe you've heard of Pythagoras and you really do not know what it means, or you have a particular subject that you, maybe in math or in English, that you want a private tutor to help you. This is my number. You can quickly take down my number before I end the chat. So this is Cate Speaks. My number will be written down here. So +234. We have 70. Okay, 38997426. So I don't know if you were able to get it. +234 38997426. So this is Cate Speaks. You can send your messages on WhatsApp. You need a private tutor, and we are going to help you for online classes. Thank you. So how many of you have gotten the number? I'm going to be ending the video. If you have gotten my number, you can send me a WhatsApp message right now. I'm going to be attending to you. Thank you for joining. Okay. Thank you, Gonzalo. Thank you, PQ. Thank you, Mazreen. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the chats. Thank you for the likes. Okay. My next class, I'm going to continue with Pythagoras again. Pythagoras theory. Take a screenshot of the class. You can take a screenshot of the number, you can call, then share it and help a lot of students around you who need this skill for their math exam or competition. Bye bye.